Welcome to Ferdinand. Ferdinand is a web app where you can design customizable and personal advertising campaigns for mobile devices. As a company, you sign up for the service. We're just going to call the company Coffee. We are asked to create the first user then, and we just going to do it like this. We're just going to enter a password, and then we're just going to call ourselves Mike Coffee. And we're going to sign up. Then we're taken to the index page here, and because we haven't created anything yet, we're just going to go ahead and do it. We call this campaign Dark Roast. We've created, and then we're taken to the most integral view of this app. It is a drag and drop interface where the objects that you can drag into the phone are placed to the left, and then the phone in the middle of the page. And this is created in JavaScript and jQuery. So you just simply take a text object, and we're just going to call it Dark Roast. We're going to do it red just to show that there's colors, and then we're going to drag an image. We're just going to search for coffee. This search is done through Flickr. Not really interesting pages. We're just going to take the Starbucks, and then it shows that it's selected, and then we add it to the campaign. And then the picture is inside the phone, and is now shown. The drag and drop interface was, as I said, implemented using jQuery and jQuery UI, where you just define a draggable object through the call of draggable to a variable, and then you set some of the attributes for that. The phone is defined as droppable, and then there's a drop function when a draggable object is dropped inside the phone, where the position is calculated inside the phone, and then a dialog form is called, or is opened with the right data depending on the ID of the draggable object dropped inside. The Flickr search is done through the Flickr's API, and I get a JSON callback, which is then formatted for the use I want, and I get 20 answers, and then it's set as in a whole HTML for the search image block, and the search results are shown as seen before. Because there's no room for a video here, I'm just going to add another page to show that can be done as well. So you can have several pages, and as we're going to see later, it's going to be you're able to swipe through the pages. The video. Now we are searching for videos on YouTube in the same way as we did as for the pictures or the images, and we select one and then we add it to the campaign, and then it is embedded into the app. Now we're just going to go back to the overview, because now we actually have the campaign, and because we want to see it, we push publish. It gets a publication date, this campaign, and it can be unpublished again if you don't want to show it anymore. To show how it looks in the phone, I'm going to use the iOS simulator here. We're just going to update. Right now all these apps are shown created earlier by other companies. We can see ours here, dark roast. I'm just going to click on it. Oh, it's a bit sensitive, this swiping. We're then taken to the campaign, and we can then swipe here and see that the video is there. But let's go back to the front page here, and while we add it, we can now see inside here in the app, if we refresh, that it has been viewed one time. But let's go back and try to log in using Facebook. Again, and we're then asked to log in through Facebook. I'm just going to log in, and then we're getting a callback back to my app, and it's set up at Facebook. Then the callback should go to my app. Just to show the callback function, the authentication callback is redirected, or the route is directed to this controller action called create, and then all the information from the authentication through Facebook and OmniAuth is gathered in a hash, and then this hash is used to either just log in, create another authentication if several services are used, or to create the user if you haven't used the app before and haven't logged in. This is, I've used it before, so you can see that I already have added the company Olsen & Nielsen, the company Fruit, as favorites. I'm a heavy coffee drinker, so I'm gonna add this as well. We can see then in favorites that it is added. The last thing I'm gonna show is recommendations, which are done through Facebook. So all my favorites, as you can see here, are then recommendations for others, and these two are some dear friends that agreed to use my app, or to use this to log in and then make a favorite, and as you can see, they have, Lisa have liked Olsen & Nielsen, and Anders have liked Fruit.